It's summer, we're trying to look for some healthier options. So today, we're gonna be making Ola Hydration Electrolyte Paletas. This is gonna be in our Mangonada flavor, or Mangonada, however you wanna pronounce it. So this is our mango chamoy flavor of electrolytes. Ola Hydration, over 700 milligrams of electrolytes per serving, plus you get vitamin C and zinc. And we're gonna use this mold here. This honestly couldn't be any easier. So game plan, very simple. We have 16 ounces of water in here. I don't know how this is gonna cover all of it. If it's not, I'm gonna add like another flavor. We're gonna do like 2 flavors, but if it is, we're good to go. So 16 ounces of water, and then we're gonna use Ola Hydration here. I'm gonna do 2 scoops. So to be honest with you, there's no right or wrong way to do this. All we're looking for is to pick up the flavor from the electrolytes. So 2 scoops into the shaker. We're gonna give this a quick shake, and then we're gonna fill. As you guys know, one thing's for sure, our electrolytes, the flavor's incredible. So the flavor's frozen, probably gonna be incredible. I am no professional at this, and I didn't measure anything. We're literally winging it. All right, so this worked out perfect. 16 ounces of water got us 6. So we're gonna do another 16 ounces of water, get the other 6, and we're gonna do it in melon flavor. All right, so same process here. We're gonna go 16 ounces of water, and then we're gonna use melon in our Ola Hydration. Now the nice part about this, again, there's only 1 gram of sugar coming from coconut water powder, 5 calories total. So just think of it this way. We're using 2 scoops in each one of these. So you got 4 scoops total in this entire tray of popsicles, which essentially means we're gonna have 20 calories between 12 of these. Not bad at all. So again, quick shake, and we're gonna get to the fill here. And then my tray provided us with sticks. So that makes it very convenient. All right, and just like that, we're good to go. So the only thing left to do is take this, put it into the freezer. I'm assuming for 24 hours, it might be less, I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna do. It's getting hot outside. Electrolytes are an absolute must right now. Why not grab the best? Our Ola Hydration, bringing you authentic Latino flavors. They're absolutely delicious, custom built from the ground up every single time. So if you guys are looking for an electrolyte, a great tasting electrolyte, you love our authentic Latino flavors, then grab Ola Hydration. It's a can't miss. I can't wait to have these. So give them a shot. Everything's linked down in the bio. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share the video. We appreciate you guys. We're out of here.